My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be possibly the last Allure beauty box unboxing. So I have not been pleased with the last couple of Allure beauty boxes, and if this one sucks, I'm gonna cancel it. So it is Judgment Day for Allure. So if you'd like to see the decision, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I do upload videos 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Natalie, do you always wear club wear to open your mail? Why? Yes, I do. Oh my gosh, I made myself a pina colada. It's so good. I put raspberries in it. Alright. Woo! Let's see. I mean, I want it to be good. Like, Allure was my very first beauty subscription that I bought, so like it'll always have a small place in my heart, but I mean, I don't want to keep getting it if it's just gonna suck. So let's see. Here is the pamphlet. Okay, so the first product is this Tarte Color Splash lipstick. This retails for $21. It's a matte lipstick. Okay, and mine is in Berry Mojito. So this is a full-size lipstick, which is nice. Yeah, I don't know if that would be a color I would wear. I mean, I don't know. I might put that in a giveaway because I just don't think that color really suits me. Okay, so the next product is this Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. Okay, I always like eye serums. So full size is $115. Wow. Alright, the next item is this Curology the Cleanser. It's called Clean Sweep. Price is $19.95. Okay, so it's just a face wash. The next product I really do like, but I just got one. It is this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So I will definitely be putting this for a giveaway. Price is $8. I do like this. So the next, I guess you get one of two, either a double glow peel, or this is a clarifying charcoal mask. Price is $20. I mean, I have a lot of like charcoal masks already. I'll probably put this in a giveaway as well. And then the last product is these Bliss That's Incredipeel Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pads. So price is $19.99 for a box of 15. There are 5 pads in here. I really do like these. I love Bliss as a brand. I have so many Bliss products, and I really do like these as well. It, you know, exfoliates my skin and like gets rid of any dead skin cells. So no, I'm not impressed. I mean, it's awesome that there's a full-size Tarte lipstick in here, but it's not a color that I think suits me, so it's, you know, like I didn't even get it at all. And I do like the eye serum, and I really do like this. And I like the Bliss pads, but it's just not, like when I open my like Ipsy Plus and my like BoxyCharm, I'm like, oh, what? No, are you kidding me? You know, and it's like, the most impressive thing in here is the e.l.f. primer, which is $8, you know. I mean, I definitely think it, you know, it definitely gives a retail value more than $15, but I don't know, I'm not like super impressed with it anymore. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And you know, I don't feel like it's really individualized. Everyone gets the same thing, I feel, for the most part. I mean, I know they do variations, like you'll get one of these, but besides that, it's not really like tailored towards you, and I feel like Ipsy and BoxyCharm are. Yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.